explain what's going on inside here. I'm gonna make a quick presentation. The only time that recorded myself is when I'm doing client meetings. This will probably sound awfully similar. I can't help but be formal. This is very awkward. Number one is that I'm about to graduate university. Last semester of university just started. It's really confusing where all my life I've been in school. Now it's coming to an end. I can't really call myself a student unless I decide to pursue master. I'm not sure about that. All this AI stuff really isn't helping Reddit or anything like that swarm of people.
Talking about how AI is going to automate this AI job that posts asking for help on like what jobs, recommending job plumbing nurses, first responders, and stuff like that. How do you do that?
I think I'll have to stick to computer science. But yeah, it isn't a nice feeling knowing that what you're learning now be automated and anybody can do it. Sometimes I imagine what it'd be like to not worry about what you're learning now being useless. It's nice. Well, this is reality and there's not really much we can do so to work with it. Could be a hype bubble. We might go through an AI winter. Okay, third is that everybody seems very pessimistic about the job market. Really true. Not really encouraging fresh graduate into a world where everybody's struggling. Nobody really has a very positive outlook. This is where I'm at. My skills, just website stuff.
So I'm good with design, no tools like web development, basic casting, and all that jazz. And backend language learners for the JavaScript, HTML, CSS, of course, and I launched websites and web apps, but all the no-code ones. And React, I'm kind of good at it, but obviously I could use some improvements.
There are people that hate React or they found what sped is, but honestly I kind of like it. It's not too bad. Number 5, currently I'm a freelancer, so I'm a contractor working for an agency that produces webflow sites. Problem with this is that while it is earning me an income, it's very unpredictable. Some weeks where I'm like bombarded with work, other weeks there's crickets. I don't think that's good. Could improve that. And as a contractor, same disadvantage. Like there are advantages, you have a lot of flexibility, but disadvantage is that it's not that stable. What I'm doing right now is I'm contracting, and then any hours that I have left over, I use that for freelance projects. I need to either get more in-demand skills, or I don't know. Solution to all this confusion that I'll build just a ton of dumb projects. Like start building, start making sense. What I like to do, find interesting. At least at the end of the day, I can like grow my skills. I'll try to launch a web app. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what it'll be or whether it'll make any money. Recording the process will help in some way. Plus, it'd be fun to look back on. I think I'll consider it a success if I make at least $500 from it or make like 20 users sign up. And I kind of have the skill set to launch a web app, but it could use some polishing. So I'm going to build 10 React projects that successfully get more complex.